Right now walking through the Landour village. It's beautiful. It's a quite calm village. The walk is awesome. So guys, this village is absolutely beautiful, man. Look at this view from there. You see this? It's all snow. Guys, we have taken a quick halt and check out this view, man. What the hell? Gajab. I wonder why this place is called as Lal Tibba. What could be the possible reason? I believe it has to be the sunset, which this place is famous for. The reflection of sun must be the reason for this. So guys, we have just had some hot chocolate at this cafe known as Cafe Ivy. It's amazing cafe, man. It serves the best hot chocolate and other drinks and stuffs. You should definitely visit this place if you are in Landour, and you'll get the best views for your Insta also. Now we are headed to Lal Tibba. This village is very scenic, man. The views from here feels like heaven. So we have been walking around and see what we found. It's all snow, man. This is what we came for. Snow and the views. It's the absolute beauty of this place. Had we came here before 6, it would have been covered with snow all around this place. But it's 12. No, it's 1 a.m. 1 p.m. So the snow has melted away. But still, it's around the corners of this. It's amazing, man. Look at these views. Come here, bro. Come to this place. Look at this. Hey guys, so we are at Lal Tibba. As you can see, these are the mountain ranges of Gangotri and Yamunotri. The view is insane. Right there, these are the mountain ranges of Gangotri and Yamunotri. Look at this. I'm gonna zoom it out. Look at the view, man. Okay. Guys, the snow on the road has already melted away, so I think I should just go down because there's plenty of snow there. So I'm going down.